Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to test your speakers in case you suspect one of the speakers is not working or it's faulty. Now this will apply pretty much to any Ford that's equipped with the Ford Sync 2. If you have a Ford Sync 3, the process will be a bit different. In case this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. To run the test, you will have to access the vehicle diagnostic mode. It's so-called a hidden vehicle menu, and to do that you will have to press and keep holding the right SIG button and the CD Eject button. So press them at the same time and hold them for 5 seconds. And this process will automatically test all of the speakers. So you should hear the beep sound from each speaker. Now to repeat the test, you want to go under this AHU Diagnostics and do the speaker walk around test again. The left one, right front, right rear, left rear, and aux. And this is how you do it. If you don't hear one of the speakers, that means that speaker probably failed or there is some kind of wiring problem towards the speaker. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.